So I'm here at Castle Combe today with some of our team, going for a little track day, and I've taken Beth out for her first experience. How was it, Beth?
It was very good.
Did you enjoy it?
Loved it.
Did you learn something?
Yeah, loads. Lots to learn.
Okay, and you ready to go out on your own?
Yeah.
Cool. So we're in a little box that is doing a great job. Onwards. Okay, so that's Beth's maiden, what do you call it when you first go
Maiden lap.
Maiden lap on her own, or at least with me there, but driving.
Where are we going?
And it just followed it around, and it was very exciting. Beth's full of bravery, that's what she's got. She's got bravery of maybe youth and whatever. But do you enjoy it?
Loved it.
It's good fun. Well done, Beth.
Thank you.
Right, so now Ian and Richard are heading out in this lovely little Cayman. So Ian's not been up here before. We got the Lily, the Martin Josie, and Graham, and Louise, and Lily, and Kim and Beth. Well, I've just been out on track with Phil, who looks after our parts. He's an absolute superstar in parts, but he's never been on track before. Poor guy, and he's got me beside him. And he did really well. He's gradually putting it together, step by step. What was it like, Phil?
Daunting. Yeah, exciting. Lot to take in, lot to learn. You can't just jump in a car and just go around a track. You know, contrary to what everyone says, you've got to listen, be mindful, and pay attention.
He did great. So we're going to go and try someone else. Right, so we're going out with the lovely Lily. I'm risking my neck. Oh dear, here we go. Handbrake off? Yeah. Yeah? Excellent. Let's see how we go. So, first lap out today. Lily did great. She did really, really well. We got a little racing driver coming along here.
Don't know about that.
What was it like, Lily?
Yeah, really good fun. Love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, let's go round and the Boxster survived again, which is fantastic. So this is one you can pass. He's only in the pits. And let's see what else we've got going on. Who's next? But you're safe to go out on your own.
Thanks.
Fantastic. Now we're in the car waiting to go out. Is our Lily off the reception and Beth sales, and they're hoping to get a nice little lap in together with Beth driving before lunch. So all going great. West Country Porsche Drivers Club cars there. The orange GT3, GT4 is one of ours, if you like. Fantastic day out. And both Beth and Lily are novice. So we got Leon here, who's new to track days, and we built him a little Boxster 986 with brakes and suspension. And this is, I don't know, second, third track day, Leon?
This one's second.
Second. Working well?
Very well. Yeah, very well indeed.
Yeah, they sort of punch well above their weight. So there's more expensive cars and more exotic cars, but they work super well. So that's our three little cars that we've brought up today. We've had a brilliant time. Thanks to West Country Porsche Drivers Club for inviting us, and thanks to all our crew that have come up today to enjoy themselves. It's been a fantastic day here at Castle Combe. If you fancy having a go yourself, fully recommend it. It can be daunting, but actually it works really well, and there's always good people to help and encourage. You don't have to be the next world champion to enjoy this.